Meaning of gaiter.
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 Gaiter. A gaiter is a type of protective clothing worn over the shoe and lower part of the leg. It is typically made of waterproof material, such as rubber or Gore-Tex, and used to protect against dirt, debris, snow, or water. Gaiters can be worn for a variety of outdoor activities such as hiking, trekking, hunting, or mountaineering. They come in different sizes, styles, and materials to suit different activities and environments. Overall, gaiters provide an effective solution for keeping shoes and legs dry and clean during outdoor adventures.